yes, I look a mess. But there's a very good reason. So, as you may have seen in the last video, I tried to do a gray hair thing where I bleached and then put the eye on titanium. Came out more like a green gray. Rocked it for a couple days at work and then realized this isn't working. So I'm going back to my true heart color, which is blue. And I had a Sally's coupon that was $10 and under, anything in the store. So I got my Manic Voodoo Blue. It's my first time trying Manic. I heard great reviews, so let's see. So it's currently processing. Started out as like a very, very like teal. Now it's becoming more blue, so I probably will be taking it out soon, since I don't want it to be too dark. And we will see what the result is. It's been in for probably about 30 minutes. I know some people said they left it in for like 2 hours, but I want to try to keep it light. So, here we go.
Mommy.
This is the little one that you usually hear in the background, trying to find me when I'm hiding. Mommy's always dyeing her hair. Creative souls, right? Right? Say yes.
Yes. Hi,
No. Mommy's doing a video for my hair.
Yeah?
Yep. So I can tell you that it definitely came out the way I was hoping it did. It took the color amazing for how little time it was on, and worked extremely well. Looks so much better in person, but as you can see, it is very, very blue. So I can absolutely say that the Manic Voodoo Blue is exactly what it should be, and works exactly the way it says it does on the bottle, for once. So coming from a girl that usually uses flat hair colors, which do work very well, I can say that I am completely turned into a Manic fan. Just the simple process, the simplicity of it, the color results definitely worked out. So, very, very happy. I can also tell you that usually being a flat fan, I'm not a fan of how much it makes blue or whatever color all over your tub, all over your sink, all over your hands, all over your face, everything. And this one has got a lot less of cleanup and doesn't stain as crazy as flat does.